Back in 1988, the Callaway team set out on Project Sledgehammer with the goal of pushing the C4 Corvette platform to its absolute limit in order to create the most uncompromised road-going Vette ever. It eventually resulted in a road car speed record of 254.76 miles per hour in 1989 that stood long past the turn of the century. Image id equals 54 EFD 29 EC 244 686 of 06 09 E3 FBDA 2 CDE. Media id equals 8 AC 1 E 550 to 2 FC 3 4896 9 CB 2 to 97 C1 FO 1 CD 809. Align equals center. Size equals medium. Share equals true. Caption equals expand equals crop equals 18 by 11. Image. The Sledgehammer even has a history within the years since that record-setting run. The 200 mph club has steadily grown, but none has gone quite as far to separate itself from the pack as the Sledgehammer. In order to make the leap from the 231 mph mark measured at a